I am one with my source. Neither shall they say, Lo here, or Lo there, for behold, the kingdom of God is within you. Luke 17:21. The good things we seek from life are but echoes of the true self knocking at the door of consciousness. Everyone seeks an inward sense of certainty. We all seek an inner awareness of something greater than we are, something so complete that we can find completion in it, something so vast that we may anticipate exploring its nature through endless eternities. Someone has said that the soul is homesick and that it cannot recover until it finds complete union with its source. Intuitively, we know that such a union with a source of power must exist. If the pipe that conducts water from a high reservoir to our homes becomes disconnected, it does not mean that the water has dried up at its source. So it is with our life. Its source is an infinite sea of energy, power, love, and wisdom. That which connects us with the source is our inner life, those thoughts and feelings that make up our consciousness. Through the spiritual practice of meditation, we are able to unite consciously with our inner source and so allow the cosmic stream of good to flow to us in an unobstructed channel. I am filled with a spirit of love and gladness. I am filled with an expectancy of good things. The energy of life flows through me. I have no anxiety for the future, no regrets for the past. Today is God's day in which I live and in which I greatly rejoice.